Cooking it in the ovens
Yeah.
is like I'm like, okay, this is even easier than I thought it was going to be.
Super duper easy, and that's what it's really all about. We want to make your job as easy as possible. So the way we're gonna do these is we're gonna reverse sear them by starting them out in the oven, 250, low and slow, gradually bringing that temperature up to about 15 degrees below your desired cooking doneness. So today we're going for medium rare. So we're gonna pull these out at about 115, 120. At that point, all you gotta do is sear it off, and it's gonna continue to cook. We call that carryover cooking. So if you notice right here, we have the baking sheet.
Yes.
We want the hot air to circulate
Okay.
around the steak. So we have here, it's going top, bottom, left, right, and the wire rack is allowing the air to go underneath. You don't want to put it on the sheet pan like that because it might get soggy on the bottom. And again, we want to get that nice hard sear and also have, that great consistent cooking temperature where it's that coast to coast pink doneness. So by the time you're done, you take it out, get your pan ready, you sear it off on all sides, do a little arrose in there, a little butter, garlic, fancy French word. But essentially what you're doing is you're putting butter, garlic, thyme, rosemary, just aromatics, and you're basting it with the butter in the pan. It's called arrose. So we say butter basting.
Perfect.
Okay, so when you do that, you let them rest.
Okay.
For about, 6 to 8 minutes. Again, letting the carryover cooking do its thing, letting all those flavorful juices redistribute into it, because the last thing you want to do is cut into it prematurely and all the juices just escape.
Yes.
It's like a prison break. All the juices are gone. We want all those juices to stay inside the steak, and following all those steps will give you the most perfect, delicious steakhouse caliber steak in your entire life.
Okay.
Okay.
Cooking it in the ovens is like I'm like, okay, this is even easier than I thought it was going to be.
Super duper easy, and that's what it's really all about. We want to make your job as easy as possible and put you in a comfort zone. Like, okay, I can handle putting in the oven. Okay, I can check the temperature. Okay, I can sear it in the pan for a couple of seconds, and just the results is amazing. Where again, you're simplifying, you're making it easy, but you're not sacrificing any flavor.